I am Professor Srivastava from WDF University. The university has been established in India with a mission to educate and train farming and other populace in the world to increase their income by use of modern methods using broadcasting and communication technologies, and also make an effort to introduce high-level technologies such as IoT, robotics, UAV to automate and spread knowledge in the fields of education, agriculture, healthcare, livelihood generation and removal of ignorance for SDG 2030. The 2030 agenda, comprising of 17 Sustainable Development Goals, aim to end poverty and deprivation from the globe, sustain the planet's resources and preserve the climate and environment. The agenda was adopted in 2015, and now after 5 years, 3 billion people in developing countries, who are the largest producers of food for world's consumption, suffer from malnutrition, climate changes, droughts, floods, lack of resources such as fertilizers, seeds, and market shocks. The problem can be tackled by adopting knowledge agriculture, for which a massive program of educating and upgrading the skills are required. The frantic rush of transitioning from in-person to remote learning has started throughout the world after the COVID-19 crisis. This means a large population of the world need formal and informal education to help the world fight global recession due to lockdown. The online education shall need to use communication and broadcast technologies, including artificial intelligence, to impart education and provide lifelong learning. The key issues are availability of infrastructure, both with the institutions and learners, investment in cybersecurity, VPN and multi-factor authentication protocols, activating stakeholders and engaging learners by providing tools to move in-person gatherings online and open up spaces for discussions, events, wellness, classes, and other interests. We will start a series of classes discussing tools and technologies and their implementation. We shall also introduce courses on SDG 2030 goals and livelihood generation. Thank you.